Here we come to the elevator at the Haynes Engineering Building at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. This is an older Otis Series 1 from 1983. That fan sounds obnoxious. Beep. It's a fast hydraulic. I'm gonna go outside and ring the bell. You can stay inside. Got it. All right, let's go to 2. Two is the only number that works. I'll go on the B one more time just to get an extensive cab view. Here's your phone. It's your basic old elevator. This thing is a little something. It bumps a lot.
Yeah.
Up to 1, we'll end there. The original Otis door interlock. Older Otis Series 1 fixtures. And here we are at 1. There it goes. And that's it.